The repairs page helps your team report issues, track repairs, and maintain a complete repair history for every machine, all from one centralized location. When you submit a new repair ticket, employees who are set up to receive repair ticket emails will get a notification with all the details. Recipients can include admins, managers, on-staff technicians, or any other employee with a valid email address. If you set up your repair tech with a technician employee account, they'll be able to log in and access the repairs and equipment setup pages directly from their own mobile device. Let's submit a ticket. When you select a machine, you'll also see a list of current open repair tickets for that particular machine. Choose whether the machine is still in service or out of service, so whoever receives the repair notification has a better sense of the issue's urgency. The description requires a minimum of 20 characters, so you'll need to provide enough detail for your technician to understand the problem. Every ticket generates a detailed email notification, like this. From the repair ticket list, you can open any ticket to view details, add notes, or update its status. Whenever a note is added or a ticket's status changes, every employee set up to receive repair ticket emails is automatically notified, making it easy to keep everyone informed throughout the repair process. When you change ticket status to repaired or could not replicate, you'll be asked to document how the issue was resolved. No more sticky notes, text messages, or trying to remember which machine was broken. Everyone stays on the same page from the moment a ticket is submitted until the repair is complete. Every update becomes part of the machine's permanent repair history, making recurring problems much easier to identify. To view a machine's repair history, use the filters at the top of the list to quickly find any machine. Whether you're managing one laundromat or dozens, the repairs page keeps your staff, managers, and technicians working from the same information, so repairs get handled faster and nothing falls through the cracks. That's the repairs page, available now in Wash-Dry-Fold POS. Thanks for watching.